In this video, we check out the 2022 Lucid Air that if you're a big electric car fan, a lot of people have been raving about, talking about the features and talking about how, new and innovative it is. Unfortunately, I'm not big enough to be given a press car Lucid Air, so if you want to support me, please like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. But we went to check out the Lucid Air, and it turned out to be pretty good. So these are the colors: Stella White, Infinite Black, Quantum Gray, Cosmos Silver, Zenith Red. So this is what the cockpit is supposed to. So how do you open the trunk? Is it a button? There's those lights.
Alright guys, everyone get it?
Yep. I've been following it.
What's that?
I've been following it.
Okay, oh perfect.
This is the one with the massaging seats. So all trims come with massaging seats.
Only the top of the line, which is this one.
What is this? 215?
212 here, yeah.
Oh, so the seat is massaging.
It's massaging seats. Yeah. Talking about the features of the Lucid Air will take forever, so we'll just summarize it. It has every new feature in any new car today. All your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, all that fun stuff. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, massaging seats on both parts, individual climate control, everything, anything you can think of in a 2022 car, top of the line, it's got it. It's a $212,000 base car. This one's spec'd out to about $217,000 with additional options such as the suede on the door and the dash and the moonlighting. It's just decked out completely, and that's what you get with the Lucid Air Grand Touring, the top of the line car.
Car maker, so that's the priority number one. Is the luxury product, but also the finish, quality of materials, and it drives amazing. It feels super solid, but very smooth at the same time.
Right.
So, yeah, it's a special car.
I like that. Can you touch that?
So the touchscreens are the one on the left and on the right. Yeah.
On the left and the right. Yeah. This is completely touchscreen, home button, navigation. That okay, and that left.
Ready for your vehicle controls, so lights, locks, windshield wipers.
And climate controls are down here. Physical buttons. That's a good touch.
Yeah, along with the vents as well. So those are the things that should have manual controls or physical controls.
They kept them that way.
They're there exactly.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's the trunk. So the only thing I know in the Tesla is you can open the front up and you can't close it from inside, but I guess you can.
Exactly. Yeah,
Can you? Can you do?
Here you can close it, yeah, if you just hit the button again. Yeah.
Okay. I like
Is this vents here?
Yes. Look at this. So these are for the controls of the seats. Heated seats. These are back controls. How do you turn them to the front? So you can control the massage, unwind.
Oh.
This is so nice.
Vibration.
Yeah. Wave.
There's a timer for the massage.
Let's see, where's the timer? Oh. You can stop it. You can turn on the fan. So
that one there was the driver's side. If you wanted the passenger's side, just hit the controls button on the bottom left. That car.
guy?
Yep. And go back to massage in the middle there at the top menu. And hit passenger above the seats, and then you can choose one of the five, and then hit.
Just doing a deeper look at the Lucid Air, you can see overall that on the internet it specifies everything that you need to know about the Air. The Air Grand Touring, which we're in as the top of the line, and they go up to 1100 horsepower, as you see there. The starting price is actually, $212,500, and then the Touring, which is below that, at 148, and then the Pure, which is below that at a bit cheaper and a little less horsepower. All you can find on the website, I believe 121, around that. But what I did find interesting is there's the Air Dream Edition, which with the performance package goes up to 229,000 Canadian dollars. 229,000 Canadian dollars and 758 kilometers of range, which is like the ultimate Lucid Air, and it does cost a lot of money, but for what you're getting, a performance luxury sort of sedan, I think it might be worth it. And considering the fact that if you're buying a similar like Bentley or Rolls Royce, which I don't think these are on the level of, you'd be spending way more than that. So it's kind of in the range of a performance sort of luxury vehicle. Let's just see how it steps up or stacks up to the market of the Tesla Model S's and a few other electric cars that are coming out in the market today.
Go and hit sunshade.
And then it does that. Okay. It looks really nice. Okay, I'll be honest, I spend way too much time at the Lucid store. I just kept asking questions, kept touching stuff, kept looking around, and the car was really intriguing. The features, the packaging, everything felt really good. Everything looked really good, and everything felt like it was gonna last quite long. No plastic bits or squeaks or creaches around it. It was a really nice experience, really nice car. I did enjoy it. I have to be very honest, I really also like the styling. If you notice on the top, there's a bit of a silver trim. It's just to make the car different, you know, differentiate the car. In the front, there's this nice light bar that goes across. You got tons of trunk space and front space like I've shown, and the Lucid badging that glows up as well with the very futuristic lights in front. All ties in to make it a very nice design, very nice car. Also looks like it's going to be very costly to fix, I'm not going to lie, but again, what new car isn't at some point really costly to fix? It's just the game now. But at the end of the day, I enjoy the car. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. Tell me what you enjoyed. Tell me what features of the Lucid you think you enjoyed most. And let me know, if you had $230,000, would you be buying the ultimate Lucid Air? Let me know down below. Thank you again. My name's MJ. Cheers.
How